Good morning, welcome to our mathematical lessons. There's a question: 18 exponent r minus 9 exponent r all over 9 exponent r equals 7. And we are asked to find r. Let's jump straight into it. So given 18r minus 9r all over 9 to the power r equals 7. 18 can be expressed as 9 times 2. We bring our power r here. Minus 9r all over 9 to the power r equals 7. From our knowledge in indices, a times b all to the power n can be written as a to the power n times b to the power n. So from this, we are going to express this as 9 to the power r times 2 to the power r minus 9 to the power r all over 9 to the power r equals 7. So from this, we can factorize 9 to the power r out, giving us 9r out, 2r minus 1 all over 9 to the power r equals 7. 9 to the power r cancels the 9 to the power r at the top, leaving 2r minus 1 is equal to 7. From here, we group our like terms. 2r equals 7 plus 1, giving us 2r is equal to 8. Now 8 can be expressed as 2r is equal to 2 to the power 3. So finally, we can say that our r is equal to 3. Goodbye. See you on the next one.